this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my bed. Soon I'll be in your arms again.
To think I'll be with you, to taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more.
Darling, that's what I'm looking for.
But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since I've heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part?
I nearly shriek. These thoughts have been soaring up in my mind.
When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender